What's up, people? My name is Luke and welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well. Welcome back to a beautiful Saturday morning. It's a little bit chilly, but we're gonna work through it. Anyway, y'all remember from my first actual YouTube video, I actually put these lights in right here underneath the hood, so once the hood is closed, it can shine right through. Well, I never got to finish this install because I got sponsored by a couple different companies and I had to make some videos for them and whatnot. But the reason why I never finished it, because I wanted to make sure these side skirts, sponsored by Enforced Aero, I wanted to make sure that these were on first, because my plan is to put the rest of the strips, one on this side, one on the other side, and definitely under my diffuser. So I'm hoping it can all work out, and I'm hoping really not to put these damn car on freaking ramps. But anyway, by the way, this is made by ESC Fabrication, upstate New York. It's not from Enforced Aero. But anyway, I digress. So this is what I want to do. I just want to finish the install, and this is not going to be a hard install. It's mostly plug and play and just running wires because everything is already hooked up. See, I got the brain right here, and I just got to pop this out, and the rest of the connectors are right under here. So I left everything as plug and play to make it real easy. Now, one thing I just want to mention real quick, honorable mention, my boy Josh. If you look at this dope ass sweatshirt I got on right here, it's sports his car group name in the back, Ronin Syndicate. I'm gonna throw his ID in the description from Instagram. Check him out, show him lots of love. Really good guy. I wish he lived closer so we could chill, but check out this shirt he made for me. Right here, got my Wicked Whips Instagram ID right here, car, the Hulk, and remember, it's just the tip. Beautiful. Check him out. I'll put a picture of the back of the shirt. It's freaking dope. So now I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be using for this video. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna need, we have the BTF lighting strips right here. I've had them for a while now, just, you know, waiting for the install. Beautiful strips. We're not going to need probably all of those, but just 3 of them. These are extensions for the strip, male-female extensions, because we're going to be extending this from the power source under the hood underneath the car. I have 3M tape right here. The 3M on these strips are trash, so you definitely need your own 3M tape, as I experienced from my first video, and 1/2-inch wire looms. And I think that should be it. I'm thinking also I'm gonna have to freaking put this car on ramps for the back. Damn, I really didn't want to do that, but it's all good. All right, guys, so first what I did was I popped off the fender shroud real quick to just expose all the wires that I had buried. As I said, all this stuff is plug and play, real simple. And as I always tell you, when you're dealing with lighting, what the hell you do, check to see if that shit works first. So what we're gonna do, pick out 3 strips that we're going to be using, plug these bad boys up, and check if the damn thing works. So here we go. All right, so it's all plugged in, powered it on from the remote switch that I installed from the first video in the car. Got the remote right here. Let's check it out. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that shit in the day. I can make that shit brighter. There you go. Shit works. Look at that shit. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Just got to disconnect it. Start running the wires. Okay, so the next thing we got to do is put the 3M tape on the back of these 3 strips. All right, so from the time lapse, you saw I was removing that old 3M shitty tape that they got, put my own one on. It's a good thing I had an extra roll of it because I ran out. So what I'm going to be doing as a surprise, I'm going to be doing a 4th strip, and you'll see what I'm talking about at the end of the video. And I should not have, I was just mapping it out, I should not have to put I shouldn't have to put the car on the ramps. I should have enough room to get under there without poking my eyes out with this diffuser. And now what we got to do next is clean down the surfaces, guys. So just as important as testing the lights, clean down the surfaces so the 3M tape can adhere. And let's go. All right, folks, by the way, one huge thing before I forget, I've had these for some times. These are, as you can see the name right here, these are the No Cry knee pads. This shit is dope because I got these in memory of my boy Josh from Ronin Syndicate and my boy Jose, whose woman got them trained like puppets. So, especially my boy Jose, you know what I'm saying? But let me tell you, these are freaking dope. I'll throw these in the description as well, especially when you're doing shit, reaching in like low surfaces underneath the car and stuff like that. I'm telling you right now, this shit will save your kneecaps, especially, you know what I'm saying, I'm an old dude now, you know how it is. So definitely another tidbit right there. Now on to the cleaning. Okay, so this is the passenger side, just cleaned it down. This is how the measurements are gonna work. So the underneath is clean. There are 10 screws going along all the way to the back tire, holding the side skirt together. And perfect measurements would be from the 3rd screw right here. And I am going to be mounting this on the inside here. So it's going to be pretty far on the underneath. I don't want to put it here because there's a lot of plastic. So I don't even want to drill into that. I'll be sticking it right along the side skirt on the inside of where the screws are, and it will be lined up starting from the 3rd screw here, and it goes perfectly down here, and it actually fits measurement wise. It's literally, look how it's laid out, directly in the middle of the car. So that's perfect, and that's what we're going to do on both sides. All right, guys, so what you saw me doing was running one of the connections right here, putting it in, this is 3/8, I had extra 3/8 wire loom, and running it neatly along the firewall, down past the AOS, which is, obviously, you guys know, freaking these Subarus got no damn space for big ass hands. Running it down past the AOS, and as you can see it, down to the bottom. And now I just got to stick on this strip and then do it on both sides. All right, change of plans. I actually had to put the damn thing on the ramps just because I'm messing around with 6-foot wire coming from the side, as you can see it right there. So I just gotta be careful. So I gotta make sure, you know, I'm routing the wires properly so they don't get interfered with while I'm doing any type of high speed. But you know, none of us do high speeds anyway, right? Alrighty, just finished up the back. Ran the wire from the side. I don't know if you can see that, but I ran one here on the, like, closer to the back, and then I ran one closer to the middle, and they're running in opposite directions. So it's definitely gonna look freaking dope at night. Just gotta button everything back up in the hood, and that's it. And I'll show you how it's lit up, and then I'll do one at nighttime. Alrighty. All right, so before I button this bad boy back up real quick, I'll just give you a little sample, then I'll do the nighttime one. So that's it. Obviously, you know that one during the day. Then come to the side. Oh shit, that's coming from the side. Freaking dope. Then we're gonna come around, and that's underneath. That's what I'm talking about. Damn. Ran that shit in parallel. Came out freaking perfect. And this is the passenger side right here. Freaking awesome. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let me button this shit back up. All right, people, everything is buttoned up. I'm just waiting for the sun to set. The install was a breeze, as I told you from the first video months and months ago. Everything was plug and play, and I'm not done yet though. I just need another strip, and I'll be finishing up the front. So the entire underneath of the car is gonna be complete. Let me just give you a little quick preview. That's underneath in the back. How dope that shit looks. Oh man, can't beat that shit. And guys, remember, this setup has so many different colors, patterns. Slow it down, brighten it up. It's freaking amazing. These strips are freaking dope. And as I said, this is not the last of it. Tune in next week. I'll definitely be finishing up the front. Talk to y'all soon. Here comes the night shots. All right, guys, these are the night shots. Here we go. So this is in the hood. It's pretty dope. Damn, that's nice. That is freaking nice. I can't get enough of this shit. Oh shit, it's a freaking color fade too. Freaking auto just does its own thing. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Dang. Let me dim this bad boy down just to catch it. Freaking beautiful. Dimming it down a bit. It's really strong. Alright guys, as I said, sick ass install. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see y'all soon.